Angel, welcome back to a new video. If you are new, I'm Aisha Marie. Thank you so much for clicking on this week's video. If you haven't done so already, subscribe while you're here, while you're at it, girl. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey boo, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you girlies some tips and tricks on how to look expensive on a budget. I want to make this a new series and give you guys some tips here and there. So the first way to do so on how to look expensive on a budget, honey, is to invest in your jewelry or accessorize. I want to give a huge shout out to today's sponsor, which is BeadAisha Jewelry. I know y'all, our names look alike, but her name is Aisha and my name is Asia, and this is not my business. This is not my brand. So huge shout out to them for sponsoring today's video. They were sweet enough to send me over some jewelry to sample out. So I've had this jewelry for quite some time now. I wore the jewelry, I've tested it out, I've styled it with many different outfits, and you guys, I am obsessed. I need to get my hands on more. So what really drew me to this company was the fact that they have over 900, you guys, 900 stainless steel and sterling silver, gold, rose gold, and silver jewelry. That is so many different things to pick from, so many different styles. And I also like them because they target towards classy, elegant, chic, everyday looks. And that is what I'm all about. You can dress your jewelry up, you can dress your jewelry down. You can turn an outfit from 0 to 10 with just adding simple jewelry. You know what I'm saying? A discount code will be in the description box for anybody who is interested, and I would highly, highly, highly recommend you guys get your hands on this affordable jewelry. So the first tip I want to share with you guys is to switch up your jewelry. Now, I am going to be a hypocrite on this because I at times tend to wear the same jewelry. If I find a piece of jewelry that I love to death, it's going to take me a while to switch it out. You know, I have a hard time doing that, and so in order to look different, in order to remain elegant and classic with nice timeless pieces, you want to switch out your jewelry. Like for instance, I know you guys are tired of seeing my bamboo initial with the A. I got this from Amazon, and then I also paired it with the BeadAisha jewelry choker chain going on. I switched it up. You see how I did that? I switched it up. I typically just wear it by itself, but I'm like, why not just go ahead and do a little something different, add some other pieces to it instead of just wearing one simple necklace. Now you can do that because simple is more, but switch things out. You know, change your jewelry, give that specific item, specific piece of jewelry a break. You know, people get tired of seeing the same things. I mentioned that in this video because I need to get on myself about switching out different jewelry pieces. So just to give a different look and just to have people side eyeing like, ooh, I wonder where she got that from. Ooh, that's something new. You know what I'm saying? Just switch out your jewelry. Just switch it out. I'm mainly saying that for myself, but switch it out. The second tip that I want to share with you guys is to layer and style your jewelry. Now, I'm doing that as such right now. As I mentioned in the first step, I needed to switch out and try out different things, and I layered my necklace, my bamboo initial necklace with the BeadAisha chain choker necklace, and I actually like it. I wish I had one more to hit at a different length. That is also another tip. Try out different lengths and necklaces, like do like a little layered effect. That is always so timeless and chic and easy as well. They also already have necklaces out there, and I'm pretty sure that they have it on the BeadAisha jewelry website that's already combined. Another way that you can style your jewelry is combining the silvers with the golds, with the rose golds, with the yellow golds. Those are beautiful majority of the time, especially for the summer seasons. A way to tell if a person is wealthy or not is honestly by the quality of your jewelry. Now, you don't have to go out there and spend tons and tons and tons of money, which is another reason why I love BeadAisha jewelry, because they have some good quality pieces and jewelry for an affordable price. So keep that in mind. The third tip I want to share with you guys is to pick sentimental pieces. Now, I love hearts. Like, if you guys could look at my Pandora bracelet, I have lots and lots of hearts on there. So when they reached out to me and asked me to pick out you know, some pieces, I went ahead and I picked out this. On the necklace that I picked out, it is just this heart pendant with a paper clip on one side and then a chain effect on the other. It's so different, and I love that I can really dress this down. You know, I don't always want to have just high class quality jewelry in my collection. Sometimes I want to just be able to have jewelry that I can just dress down, throw on with any outfit, and go about my day. So I really adore this necklace. It is so freaking gorgeous. It's so unique, and it's sentimental to me because I just love hearts. You know, I'm a sucker for love. I'm a Scorpio. Well, Scorpios have their ways, but deep inside, we're like hopeless romantics. I like to express that through my jewelry, and that is also another tip when I say buy sentimental jewelry. You know what I'm saying? If you like astrology, buy your zodiac sign, or if you love animals, buy something that has to do with a specific animal that you like, or your initial, like how I have my initial pendant on. That is always a way to go if you don't know where to start. When you're starting your jewelry collection, is pick out sentimental pieces that really mean something to you. That can also be a great conversational starter when, you know, you're meeting someone new and they're looking at your jewelry and they're like, oh my gosh, I wonder why she, you know, like what does that mean to her, or what does that mean to him? The fourth tip that I want to share with you all is simple is more. Now, this is a tip that I live by, and I'm trying to wing myself out of it. Like I mentioned earlier, when your outfit is already doing too much, you don't want to be doing too much with your accessories, like with your shoes, with arm candy, with earrings, with a whole bunch of stacked necklaces. That's just something that can just kind of turn your outfit like into like a you was on there with something, but now you just kind of like threw me all the way off because of your jewelry. This video is targeted towards the elegant, chic, timeless, classic, crisp ladies. You know, like if that's what you're drawn to, that's you, please keep that tip in mind. If your outfit is going to be very simple, then you can kind of go a little overboard with your jewelry, like a nice layered stack, some little hoop earrings, a couple of bracelets here and there, you know, but you don't want to, because sometimes it can clash and then it can confuse the eye who's looking at you like, what's going on? You know what I'm saying? So ladies, keep that in mind, because I see it a lot. I see it a lot, and a lot of the times I am confused, but to each his own. You know, they probably look at me like, oh, she is so basic. You know what I'm saying? She could have threw on this, she could have took off that, she could have did that, but instead she did this. You know, so to each his own. To each his own. Let's move on. The last tip I want to share with you guys is to take care of your jewelry. No matter if you have high quality jewelry or some thrift store jewelry, if you do not take care of it, it will become ruined. You want to make sure you keep your jewelry in a cool, dry place, okay? Whether that is some 99-cent jewelry or $9,000 jewelry. You know what I'm saying? You still want to take care of it. Just because it's high quality doesn't mean that it'll last forever, and that it'll never tarnish, and that it'll never need proper care. If you need to go out to Ross, I know Ross, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, even Amazon have like jewelry organizers and stands that you can, you know, apply your jewelry on for display. Even they have some that you can just stick in a drawer, shut it closed, and you never have to see it. So it all depends on your personal preference. You do want to sometimes clean your jewelry every now and then. I know I seen a lady on YouTube say that you can clean your jewelry by just soaking it in some water with some Dove and just, you know, gently scrubbing at it. Not gently scrubbing at it, but with a toothbrush, with an old toothbrush, you know, just clean it. Once again, thank you so much, BeadAisha Jewelry, for sponsoring today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys are interested in any of the products that you've seen, the links will be down below, as well as a discount code, so you guys can check out their website and, you know, use some of the tips and tricks that I share with you guys to shop. And also use the discount code, because, you know, we like a little save a little coin over here, you know what I'm saying? We like to look expensive, and we like our bank accounts to be pretty thick. So I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah.